Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Thermaltake Ceres Matcha Green LCD Panel Kit. This 3.9-inch LCD display is designed to perfectly complement the Ceres TG RGB mid-tower chassis, adding a unique touch to any build. First impressions are definitely positive, especially if you're a fan of the matcha green aesthetic. The color is vibrant and eye-catching, making it a standout feature. Beyond just looks, this LCD panel offers real-time information, giving you at-a-glance monitoring of your system's vitals. The panel is fully customizable through Thermaltake's TT RGB Plus 2.0 software. This allows users to tweak the display to show exactly what they want, from temperatures and fan speeds to custom images or animations. The level of personalization is impressive, letting you truly make it your own. Compatibility is key, and this kit is specifically designed for the Ceres cases. This ensures a seamless fit and easy installation. The mid-tower case type is a popular choice for gamers and enthusiasts, offering a good balance of size and expandability. It supports mini IDX motherboards. The build quality feels solid, with the plastic construction appearing durable enough to withstand regular use. The rear mount power supply mounting type is standard for most mid-tower cases, so no surprises there. For gamers, this LCD panel is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It provides valuable information that can help monitor system performance during intense gaming sessions. Being able to quickly check temperatures without minimizing the game can be a real advantage. Overall, the Thermaltake Ceres Matcha Green LCD Panel Kit is a great addition to any compatible system. It combines aesthetics with functionality, offering a unique way to personalize and monitor your PC. If you're looking to add a touch of flair and functionality to your Ceres build, this kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.